So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start. Your person, okay, or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Virgo, Knight of Swords. So somebody is trying to avoid the situation as much as they can from their side. Maybe their emotions, maybe the accountability. They feel like okay, they should run. Just run and keep running. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords here as their feelings for you. We have the Four of Cups and the Six of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. This person is feeling so disappointed, so dissatisfied in this situation. They feel like moving on towards calmer water, towards something new or someone new. It's like, okay, I'm done with this. Virgo, I cannot be in this disappointment kind of energy for the rest of my life. So I should definitely move on towards something better or someone better. Now it could be like they are focused on money, job, career, and or they feel like they should go towards something stable, someone stable maybe, because they are done with the disappointments. They are kind of overwhelmed with the kind of disappointments and setbacks they are getting again and again and again in this situation between you and them, and they feel like instead of facing it, facing the truth and the reality, they feel like okay, goodbye, running away, nah. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation? This person is stuck on you. They have other option, other people, other things to do for sure, but they're stuck on you energetically, and they don't want to get stuck on you, and they feel like, oh my god, why the hell I'm feeling what I'm feeling for Virgo? Why am I not able to connect with other people, other energies? So that's why they feel like okay, I should run away from these feelings and straight away connect to something else, someone else, start a brand new chapter in their life, trying to find the peace and the balance within themselves. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Lovers, there's a lot of love from your side. You have love, you have lust, you have attraction, you have passion, and you feel like a lot of energy is flowing in a particular direction from your side with a lot of love. Let's clarify the lovers, but you definitely have a choice here. Let's see. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. You feel like balancing it out with somebody. You feel like bringing something back to life, putting in the effort and energy in a situation, and you're highly disappointed. There is a lot of regret and or guilt regarding a particular situation in your life that you are still very much connected to with all of your heart and soul, and you feel like bringing the balance back in the situation somehow and making things work out, because you are still very much interested in this person, in this relationship, and you still feel disappointed by the idea of things not working out, and you feel like making them work out somehow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Cups. See, their intention is to have a beautiful soulmate kind of dynamic. I don't know with you or with somebody else. Let me clarify. Their intention is to have a very beautiful, deep rooted connection, a soulmate kind of connection. Let's clarify the Two of Cups. We have the Four of Swords and Ace of Wands, the lovers. This person wants to heal themselves properly, and they want to have a passionate, brand new beginning in their love and relationship area, with or without you. You are not completely out of the equation, you are not completely in the equation. They're like, all they want is a very beautiful, deep soulmate connection with a lot of passion, with a lot of fire, and they want to heal themselves before they are going to go into the next connection. But all they want in their life is a good relationship, is a deep soulmate kind of a relationship, with or without you. If it is meant to be with you, they want it with you. If not, they are more than open and ready to go ahead with a new energy, with a new person. For some of you, they might have already found somebody, and they're trying to figure out their connection with them. I'm really sorry to say that, Virgo, but there is a sense of this person trying to detach from the idea of being with you, because all they get is disappointment over disappointment, and they are done with that, and they want a beautiful soulmate kind of dynamic. If they're not getting it with you, they are ready to get it with somebody else. This is not like the world is revolving around this situation. No. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Chariot, you just want to move ahead. You just want to be in a very determined kind of energy. Like, I want to do something. I want to do something. Chariot is the card of doing something and being very, very determined about that. Let me clarify the chariot. We have the chariot, the nine of wands, and the seven of wands. Wow. You just want to move on, and you just want to keep your guard so high that nobody can reach you, nobody can connect with you, nobody can touch you. It's like you just want to be so determined to move on from this situation in your life, and you just want to keep your guard so high so that nobody can help you. Sorry, nobody can connect with you, nobody can like hurt you, nobody can say anything to you. You just want to be in your own space, and you just want to be in very determined kind of energy of, this time I'm going to move on. Enough is enough. I'm not going to allow anybody to hurt me again in this lifetime, because enough is enough. This is what you want. You want to move on with this kind of attitude of enough is enough, not allowing anybody to connect with you or hurt you anymore. You are very hurt, Virgo, don't you? You're very, very hurt. It's not like you're planning to hurt somebody. It's like if somebody is going to hurt you, you are going to show them who you are. That's your plan. A slight hurt from somebody's side, it's not even about this person only. You are going to burst out like explode like a volcano, and you are going to be like, I just want my boundaries. Don't touch me, don't talk to me, don't even try to hurt me. Okay, you are very hurt. You need a very, very big hug and a deep rooted healing. Let's see what's coming forward towards till 11th of May. Judgment. It's like a card of releasing and realizing something. It's like I got the same kind of outcome for Taurus as well, and some other sign as well. Check out those signs as well if there's a placement in your chart somewhere. Let's clarify the Judgment. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Emperor. Okay, you are going to be like so much in determination kind of energy. I am going to make it work out no matter what is going to take, like what it is going to take from me. You are going to release the control though. Virgo, you guys don't do it consciously, but you guys need perfection in everything. And in that perfection kind of thing, you tend to control a lot of people, things, and situations that you should not be doing, but you have this tendency. You are letting go of the control, but with this kind of attitude of, I know I'm going to make it work out. Someday it's going to work out. I know it. You are refusing to let go of a particular situation, let go of a particular connection, because you feel this deep rooted connection with somebody and a lot of love towards somebody. You are like, I don't know, I'm going to make this work out. Someday it's going to work out. I know. I'm releasing it. I'm letting it go. But I know it's going to work out someday. It's the expectation that you're having regarding the situation that is going to, I don't know, maybe give you a lot of happiness, or maybe give you a lot of disappointment. But Virgo, by the 11th of May, you are going to be like, I'm going to make this work out. No matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, no matter what I have to do from my side, I'm going to make this work out. Period. Okay. I give up. For you, the guidance is a Page of Wands. If you want to make it work out, honey, you have to be in a light-hearted kind of energy, not in this energy of, no, it's bound to happen. I'm going to change the destiny. I'm going to change the fate. I'm going to see how it's not going to happen. No, this attitude is not going to work out. This attitude is going to work out. This happy-go-lucky, this fresh energy, this naiveness, this innocence and innocent energy of, okay, whatever will happen will happen. I am going to enjoy my life to the fullest. I am going to do whatever it takes from my side to enjoy my life, to give myself the happiness that I deserve and I want from the other person or other energy here. So be in your love, like fall in your love, fall in your own love, fall in your own relationship with yourself, and be your own friend first, and start living life to the with a light-hearted kind of energy, with a light-hearted kind of approach. When you will be able to do that, you will be able to connect with the kind of energy that's actually good for you, instead of being all like trying to control each and everything in your life. You're showing me you're releasing the control, but you're not actually. It's difficult for Virgos to release the control, and they get pissed off when they do that. Okay, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.